Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing over $1,000 deposited into your account, all from something you set up once and let run on autopilot. No complicated tech skills, no expensive startup costs, and no need to constantly trade your time for money. What if I told you that this isn't just a dream, but a real possibility using DeepSeek? This powerful AI tool is opening doors to new money-making opportunities, and the best part, you can get started for free. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process of earning up to $1,150 per day with DeepSeek without spending a dime. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking for an extra income stream, you're about to discover a powerful strategy that could change your financial future. Stick around because I'm not just giving you theory, I'll show you real, actionable steps that you can implement today to start generating passive income using DeepSeek. Picture this: you wake up in the morning, stretch out in bed, and casually reach for your phone. As you open your banking app, your eyes widen. Overnight, you've made over $1,000 while you were sleeping. No exhausting 9-to-5 job, no endless meetings, no waiting for a paycheck at the end of the month, just money rolling in effortlessly. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this is entirely possible, and you don't need to spend a dime to get started? In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how people make money online. Businesses are using it to streamline processes, entrepreneurs are automating income streams, and even beginners are discovering ways to generate serious cash, all without needing technical skills or prior experience. And that's where DeepSeek comes in. DeepSeek is one of the most powerful AI tools available right now, and if you know how to use it the right way, you can turn it into your own personal money-making machine. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a way to quit your job, or even a completely automated income stream, DeepSeek offers endless opportunities to generate passive income without any upfront investment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage DeepSeek to earn up to $1,150 per day, completely for free. No tricks, no gimmicks, just a proven system that you can implement starting today. And here's the best part: you don't need to be an expert in AI, business, or marketing. You don't need thousands of dollars to invest, and you don't need to waste months figuring things out. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything, from setting up your system to scaling it to thousands of dollars per day. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap that allows you to start making money online with DeepSeek, even if you've never made a single dollar online before. Are you ready? Let's get started. DeepSeek is an advanced AI-powered tool designed for content generation, automation, and digital monetization. It can help you create high-quality content, automate business processes, and even generate income streams with minimal effort. The reason DeepSeek stands out is because of its ability to generate human-like text, answer complex queries, and assist in various business-related tasks. This makes it perfect for monetization, as you can use it to create valuable content that people will pay for without having to do all the work yourself. Now, before we get into the step-by-step method of making $1,150 per day, let's quickly go over how DeepSeek works and why it's such a powerful tool. How DeepSeek works. DeepSeek uses AI to analyze data, generate written content, and provide high-quality responses that can be used for a variety of purposes. It operates similarly to ChatGPT and other AI-driven platforms, but comes with additional advantages that make it ideal for income generation. Some of the key features include automated content creation. It can write blog posts, product descriptions, and even entire ebooks with minimal input. SEO optimization. DeepSeek generates content optimized for search engines, helping you rank higher and attract more traffic. Business automation. It can automate customer support, email responses, and even marketing campaigns. Data analysis and research. DeepSeek can analyze trends and provide valuable business insights. Now that we understand what DeepSeek is capable of, let's jump into the step-by-step process to start making real money with it. Step 1. Choosing your monetization strategy. There are multiple ways to make money with DeepSeek, but for this method, we'll focus on 3 highly profitable strategies: selling AI-generated content, offering AI-powered services, automating affiliate marketing. Let's break down each one in detail. Step 2. Selling AI-generated content for profit. One of the easiest and most lucrative ways to make money with DeepSeek is by selling AI-generated content. Businesses, marketers, and bloggers are constantly in need of fresh, high-quality content, and DeepSeek allows you to provide that with minimal effort. Here's how you can get started. Set up a freelance profile, create accounts on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Offer services like blog writing, social media content creation, and ad copywriting. Use DeepSeek to generate content. Simply input the topic, adjust the settings, and let DeepSeek do the heavy lifting. Deliver and scale. Once you complete a few projects and get positive reviews, you can increase your rates and automate most of the work with DeepSeek. How much can you make? Some freelancers charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per article. By completing just a few orders a day, you can easily reach $1,150 in earnings. Step 3. Offering AI-powered services. Another profitable strategy is to use DeepSeek to provide AI-powered services. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for automation tools that save them time and improve efficiency. Services you can offer include AI-driven customer support automation, automated email, marketing campaigns, AI-powered social media management, personalized chatbot creation. With platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and LinkedIn requiring automation tools, you can sell AI-based services to business owners and charge a premium for your expertise. Step 4. Automating affiliate marketing. With DeepSeek, affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income models, and with DeepSeek, you can automate the entire process. Here's how. Find high-paying affiliate programs. Choose affiliate programs that offer high commissions. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, etc. Create AI-generated blog posts. Use DeepSeek to write product reviews, comparisons, and listicles featuring your affiliate links. SEO optimization. Ensure your content ranks on Google so that people searching for product recommendations find your articles. Monetize with ads. Once you start getting traffic, you can earn additional revenue through Google AdSense or Mediavine. By scaling this method, you can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day on autopilot. Step 5. Scaling to 1,150 day. Once you've implemented the methods above, the next step is scaling. Here's how to reach $1,150 per day. Diversify income streams. Use multiple monetization methods instead of relying on just one. Automate and outsource as your business grows. Outsource tasks to virtual assistants and automate content creation with DeepSeek. Leverage paid ads. Once you have a proven money-making system, reinvest profits into ads to drive more traffic. Build an email list. Collect emails from your audience and market to them repeatedly for long-term passive income. The key to success is consistency. The more you implement and refine these strategies, the faster you'll reach your income goals. So, there you have it, a complete, step-by-step guide to making up to $1,150 per day with DeepSeek, absolutely for free. We've covered everything from understanding how DeepSeek works to practical ways you can monetize it, whether by selling AI-generated content, offering AI-powered services, or automating affiliate marketing. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with something important, something that separates those who succeed from those who simply watch and move on. Right now, you're at a crossroads. You can take this information, put it into action, and start building your own automated income stream. Or, you can do what most people do: watch, feel excited for a moment, and then go back to scrolling, never actually taking the first step. The truth is, nothing changes if nothing changes. The people who are making thousands of dollars per day online aren't any different from you. If you want to start earning money online, you have to take that first step. Start small, implement the methods I've shared today, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Success doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment, it comes from starting, adjusting, and improving along the way. Why DeepSeek is a golden opportunity right now. Opportunities like this don't last forever. AI is growing at an insane speed, and right now, we're still in the early stages of this revolution. Businesses are just beginning to realize the power of AI, and the demand for AI-generated content, AI-powered services, and automation is skyrocketing. But here's the reality. The people who take action now are the ones who will profit the most. In a year or two, when more people catch on, the competition will be much higher. That's why it's crucial to get started now while there's still a massive demand and very little supply. The best part? You're not risking anything. Unlike most online business models that require expensive startup costs, DeepSeek lets you start for free. No financial risk. No big investments, just a chance to build something that can create real, life-changing income. Imagine what this could do for you. Think about what an extra $1,150 per day could mean for your life. Maybe it's the ability to quit your job and finally work on your own terms. Maybe it's the freedom to travel the world, knowing your income is coming in passively. Maybe it's paying off debt faster, investing in your future, or simply having more security and peace of mind. Or maybe it's something as simple as spending more time with your family, without constantly worrying about money. Whatever your goal is, DeepSeek can be the tool that gets you there. Your next steps. Now that you have everything you need, here's what I want you to do right now. Pick a strategy from the ones we discussed, whether it's content creation, AI services, or affiliate marketing. Start testing DeepSeek, get familiar with how it works, and see what kind of results you can generate. Take action today. Set up your first gig, write your first AI-generated article, or find your first affiliate program. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. And remember, success is built on small steps taken consistently. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting for the perfect time to start. The perfect time is right now. One final thought. Before we go, let me leave you with this. Every single person who has ever built a successful online business started in the exact same place as you. They didn't have all the answers. They didn't know if it would work. But they took action anyway, and that's what made the difference. So, what are you going to do today? Are you going to let this be another video you watch and forget about? Or are you going to take the first step toward financial freedom?